Today's gonna be a good, really good one, though. I'm super excited. I'm going outside because today we are picking up the wheels. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Game match here as always. Today it's, as you guys probably saw by the thumbnail, I'm finally after 3 weeks or more, I would say, doesn't matter right now, but I'm picking my wheels, the new wheels for the truck. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the plan is I'm gonna do a wheels review because I think I didn't say anything which kind of wheels I'm getting. I don't know if we gonna be able to mount the wheels and tires today, but my main goal is drive to the shop, pick the wheel, and see, you know, if you have time to mount it, or if I'm gonna mount at the same time I'm gonna install the lift. Without further ado, I'll take you guys with me. Again, I don't know how much I will be able to record there. You never know about those shops, but I will try. Let's go pick it up there. A lot of people ask me why I'm wearing the same hat all the time. It's just because I like it. And some people say like, oh, you should have your own hat. And I was thinking about it. Maybe I'll do. What do you think? Leave your comment below. I'll do something that would be meaningful for me and maybe I can share with you guys. So that's a plan, maybe. I don't know. I just thought it was a good idea. Maybe, you know, leave your comment below. But I just don't want you to think that I always need gas, but I need gas. So yes, gas station, here you go. Well, I think here is always the second home for whoever owns a truck, right? To be honest, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can't complain. The reason why I can complain is because the gas is getting expensive here. So last week I paid $2.34 and now it's $2.45.
Need a receipt?
No, thank you.
You're all set, buddy. Take care.
Thank you too. All right, off to the shop. Open.
That's right. Let me, I'll give you.
I guess those are my tires though, but we'll see.
Yeah, if it works, you know.
Wheels.
I'll be right back, buddy.
Yes. Came from my wheels.
Ah, Colorado wheels. Yeah.
How are you, man?
Good. How you been?
Good.
Where's your park?
On the side here.
These wheels? No, I didn't open these. I saw the pictures of them before they boxed them. Yeah, you got enough one?
So I was thinking what my options are for like performance and stuff.
You can do anything.
Because I don't see as much people doing stuff to a Colorado, like in the performance and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I have a cold air intake, but I did by myself, but that's easy. That's not.
Yeah, I mean I could run some numbers, but we could build a turbo kit for it.
I customize.
Yep, we can powder coat all the piping for you, the whole nine.
I'll think about it.
Let me know.
That would be cool.
Stuff a big intercooler in the grill. They always look cool.
That's cool. That's so nice.
I got some pictures of it on Facebook and stuff.
Cool.
I just did this yesterday. I'm not a fan. I should have brought it up to the body line.
Oh, I see.
So I'm gonna redo
It's
it.
vinyl?
And if I still don't, yeah, just peel it off. If I still don't like it, take it off.
Did you drop it?
Yeah, only 1.5 inches. HR kit, spring kit. Yeah,
It still fits, right?
Bar, that's it. What's that?
It still fits.
Oh yeah.
It's -44, right?
Yeah.
Cool. That's awesome.
305/50.
This thing is nice. I love the white though.
When it's white, it's nice.
I mean, I can't order. I just want to make sure if you have it. No, I cook it. It's here.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll stop by.
Cool, man.
Thank you. JR, right?
Yes, JR.
Thank you, man. Thank you for your help and patience.
Anytime. I can always see it when it's done.
I'll stop by, definitely. We got it. So now, by the way, if you want to check it out, JR stores is called Mother's Performance. I record a little bit of our conversation, and he's more like a performance shop, which is exactly what I need for the next steps to this truck. As you guys heard, we were talking about performance and stuff. Maybe I'll build a turbo kit for this bad boy here. That would be cool, but all depends on the budget. As you guys know, I'm on a budget. Well, but anyway, I'll talk more about it when we get back home. So let's go back home so you guys can see the wheels. Okay, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna unload everything, put on the floor, and then I'll walk you guys through it. So let's get this done. So let me walk through you guys first through the tires. So let me grab this one here. As you guys can see, it's a lot of me. Here's my hand, and those are the tires. I went with the NITTO Rigid Grappler 33 by 12.5. They're gonna look so mid. Oh, one more thing, they are the hybrid ones. What is the difference between the hybrids and all-terrain and mud tire? I don't know that much, but as far as I know, the hybrids, they are between the mud tire and the all-terrain tire. If you are not going off the road a lot, that's your best shot. That's why I got those. So they are not supposed to be as loud as a mud tire, but they have this cool look that you can have with the mud tires. So I think it's gonna look good. Those are big. I'm stoked about it. Again, they are 33 by 12.5 hybrid. It's not a cheap tire though, but it's not the most expensive one. So I think I got a kind of a mix of price and quality, because they are I think a lot of people are running those tires. Also, I was debating because I wanted that aggressive look that a mud tire gives you, but I know the mud tire can be so loud when you're driving on the road, and that's why I went with the hybrids one. That make more sense for me. I will give you guys a feedback once I'm running those. So just to give you guys an idea how it is, this is stock size. That's how it's gonna look like. I mean, I think you guys can have a better idea, right? That's how big this tire is. You probably can't fit the stock wheel inside of that tire, and I mean the stock wheel and tire almost. So that's how it's gonna look like. Forget about the wheels though. Well, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions about the tires, let me know. I'll be glad to answer you guys. And now just seeing that thing there though, oh my god, I don't think we have much room there, but remember that thing's going up. Now the time, I think the most excited part of it, it's the wheels. So let's open the wheels and see what we got, so you guys are gonna know the size. Oh, you should know the size by now, but you're gonna know the size, you're gonna know the offset, you're gonna know everything. Just before we open the wheels, I explained that many times, but if you wanna check the video I did here, so you can have a better idea. Those wheels, they don't have the bolt pattern for Colorados, and that's why you have to custom drill it. I was debating about it because I want a different offset. I'm happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoy as well. So let's do it, let's open. All right. So you guys probably know I went with MOTO metal. I hope you guys can see it. Hold on. Better, right? I went with the MOTO metal. I was super excited about those wheels. Let's look at it. You guys ready? The moment everyone was waiting for. Oh boy, brand new wheels, boys. Brand new wheels. There we go. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go, boys. I went with the MOTO metal MO962. Oh my god, those things, look at it. I don't even know if I want to remove the plastic though. Look at this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. There we go. Better look for you guys now. They're at the right angle. So those are 20 by 12, negative 44. Yeah, I went with negative 44 offset, and that's why you have this huge leap between the wheel and the edge. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so stoked about it. I'm so happy. I think this is gonna was the best choice. I was in love with those wheels for a long time, but as I said, I don't know if I would be able to fit those in my Chevy Colorado. But as I always say, never give up, work hard for it. I was hustling for, that's actually my dream wheel, and I got it. I was patient enough. I did my homework, my research, and I got it. So as I said, they have to custom drill this. That's why it took a while to be here, those wheels, but they are finally here. I'm not gonna open the other box because, I mean, that's what you guys need to see. And I think you wanna see next to that wheel. So I'm gonna try to make a way to put it my wheels without damaging anything. I tried to show you guys how it's gonna look like. That's more or less how it's gonna be. I'll put you guys closer. That's more or less just to give you guys an idea how that's gonna be. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane. Let me know what you guys think about the negative 44 offset and the wheels. I want something simple, but at the same time it looks nice. That's why I went with those wheels. And the tires, I don't think I need to explain as much again about the tires because they are such a good tires, and it should be fine. That's it for the wheels. I'm super excited finally it's here. Now the next step is I have to schedule with the shop if they are available for install the lift kit, and I'll probably drop off the truck for 2 days unless something changed, but that's the plan. I don't know if they have scheduled for next week. If they don't, I'll make sure that I get as soon as I can, probably the following week. I don't think I'll be able to record the entire process, but I'll definitely try to show as much as I can. Dropping off the truck, picking up the truck, maybe I'll ask them to let me know when they're gonna mount the wheels and tires, so I can be there to record and everything. I believe we need to do a little bit of cutting, which I want to be there to see it, but again, I need to talk with the shop to see if that's reasonable, if they can do that and how that goes, because as you guys know, I have a full-time job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you're not following me there, you are missing a lot, but make sure to follow me there. I'll make sure to answer all the comments on YouTube, so if you have any question, leave your comment below. I'll be glad to help you guys. My main message for this video is never give up. Never give up. Work for it, that will pay off. That's the case for those wheels. I was super worried about it. I just don't want to buy something that I didn't want. It was a challenge for me to wait and look for and talk with many different people so I could get what I want. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.